Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Evolutionary Origins of Speech Acts conference held at the University of Bucharest. This is a hybrid conference that's organized by the Department for Theoretical Philosophy from the Faculty of Philosophy at the University of Bucharest, jointly with CELFIS, that's the Center for Logic, Philosophy, and History of Science at the same university. I'm delighted that we're partnering for the event with ICUB, that's the research institute at the university, and specifically its humanities division, and the Department for Continual Formation of Teachers at the Polytechnic University of Bucharest. And I'm delighted that we're beginning this series of joint events and cooperation that's interinstitutional rather than just within UBE. I have to say, it's a pleasure and a privilege to have each and every one of you either online or physically here for this conference. I'm especially grateful to Mitch Green, who's our keynote speaker and here face-to-face, and to Bart Goetz, who's our online keynote. This is a hybrid conference, and we're very much hoping that many of the recordings will be made available for students' perusal later on. If you check the schedule for today, you'll see that there are lots of wonderful talks. We're about to begin with Professor Stiegenberg, and I'm hoping I'm saying that right, but if not, please correct me. And we're gonna go on with talks from Christina Orban, Ladislav Kurgan, Professor Mircea Dumitru, and Peter Van Elswick. And this is a one-day workshop. I'm hoping that we're going to manage to galvanize interest in philosophy of language, in evolutionary psychology, in any related fields that are concerned with the topic for today. I should also say, for those of you wishing to join face-to-face, this is in Mircea Florian Hall within the Faculty of Philosophy. And very grateful to students in the Mind the Brain program in cognitive science here who helped put this together, and to students undertaking their curricular practical training with CELFIS who helped organize the event. We will jointly explore the possibility of proceedings later on, and if you want to check out some of our other events, here's the link to the department's YouTube channel. I'm going to stop here, not before I wish everybody a hearty welcome. Switching hats, not just as convener here, but also as a vice chair of the Faculty of Philosophy at Bucharest. So thanks, welcome, and I'm hoping you're going to enjoy this.